Hey guys, Dalton with Jaspertronics, and today we are going to be looking at air filters, specifically the air filter on this Epson 8350. Air filters are very important. We're going to be going over cooling, dust buildup, things like that, things you can do to prevent it, why filters are important, and how to change the filter on an 8350. So, let's get started. Okay guys, the first thing we're going to do is just kind of take a look at the filter. Your filter should be pretty clean whenever you're changing out the bulb. Whenever you put a brand new bulb in, you also would want to put a new filter in. This one is white. You don't see any graying on it. There's not a bunch of buildup on it. This is how your filter should look whenever you're installing it. A brand new filter, essentially. If it doesn't look like this, if it's kind of gray, if it's got some stuff on it, chances are it's a used filter. You don't really want to do that. So let's go over installation first. These are very simple. We're just going to lift this unit up right quick and just kind of angle it right here. And this is where the filter sits. It just sits in this open cavity right here. There's really not a whole lot to it. If you look at your filter, there's going to be kind of like a almost like a guiding peg right here, and that's how you know how to get it installed, is that right there. This is the little pulley tab to pull it out with, and it just sits there. And like I said, just follow this little guiding peg and you should be fine. And then the actual cover itself, it's just like a little plastic cover that just snaps right on there. So there's really not a whole lot to that part. That is very easy. This is simple to do, and it will help your unit keep running. The problem is when you don't do that. So if you're not changing your air filter, what's going to happen is dust is going to start building up on the inside of this unit, and dust is going to start shooting into this right here, your bulb compartment where your lamp is at. So let's pop this open right quick. So when looking at these lamp compartments, right here, you've got your intake. This is your cold air intake. It follows a path from here. There's a series of plastic tunnels that help cool the 3 LCD, and it helps cool the lamp. And then this lamp also has another blower that's like right there. And then you have your exhaust fan. That's right in here. That's going to blow all your hot air out this way. Whenever these start building up with dust and they don't have a filter in the way, that's just going to pull all that crap straight through into your bulb. That's going to pull it all straight through into the cup. It's going to start building up in the cup. This is going to cause an excess amount of heat, and your lamp's going to explode. This is fairly common. I see it a lot, particular with these units that have been on the market for 10 plus years. People did not maintain them very well, and you can even see right here where some of this bit is starting to flake off because it got too hot. And you can even see like little bits of, it might be a little bit hard to see. I can try and get this in here so you can see it a little bit better, but you can really see in there that there's just like all sorts of crud that has been flaking off of this and getting in there. And then there's also discoloration all around inside of this compartment where it just got too hot, and you really don't want that. That's just the worst possible thing that you can have happen to your unit, is excess heat. A lot of people want to blame the lamp. Lamps get hot. That's part of being a bulb. Some lamps can get too hot, but most of the time, if your lamp's getting too hot, it's going to be because your airflow system is messing up. It's going to be because your airflow system is being blocked. It's going to be because your airflow system needs some maintenance. And that is the best possible thing you can do in order to help extend your lamp lives and keep your projectors running longer. Replace the air filter. Thanks, guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found it informative. Definitely leave a like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. I will definitely do whatever I can to help you guys keep your units running. So thank you again, and see you in the next one. Later.